Intel Arrow Lake HX enthusiast laptop CPU lineup leak. Core Ultra 9 285 HX flagship with 24 cores up to 5.5 GHz clocks. Intel to deploy Arrow Lake HX mobile CPUs for enthusiast gaming laptops offering up to 24 cores and 5.5 GHz clocks with the Core Ultra 9 285 HX flagship. In the latest SKU details provided by JKin0, we get to see what Intel's next-gen HX enthusiast laptop lineup would look like. The lineup will include at least 6 Core Ultra 200 SKUs, all featured within the Arrow Lake HX lineup, and will share a similar die as the desktop SKUs. Following is what you can expect. The 6 Intel Arrow Lake HX CPU SKUs include the Core Ultra 9 285 HX, Core Ultra 9 275 HX, Core Ultra 7 265 HX, Core Ultra 7 255 HX, Core Ultra 5 245 HX, and Core Ultra 5 235 HX. Each SKUs will have at least 2 configurations which would mainly vary in terms of clock frequencies. So let's start with the top of the line first. Intel Arrow Lake HX Core Ultra 9 CPUs. The 285HX will be the flagship with 8P cores based on the line curve and 16E core based on the SkyMount architecture, totaling up of 24 core and 24 thread. The chip will feature a base clock of 2.8 GHz for the P and 2.1 GHz for E cores, while the maximum boost clock is rated at 5.5 GHz for the P cores and 4.6 GHz for the E cores. The maximum all-core boost of the P cores is 5.2 GHz, and you also get in a GPU with 64 EUs and 2.0 GHz clock speed. The Core Ultra 9 275 HX only differs in clock speed with 100 MHz lower boost clock on the P cores. Now if we talk about the Intel Arrow Lake HX Core Ultra 7 series, we have the Intel Core Ultra 7 265 HX CPUs, which is a 8-core P and 12-core E SKU offering 20 cores and 20 thread with a base clock of 2.6 from the P cores and 2.3 for the E cores, while the maximum boost clocks are rated at 5.3 GHz for the P cores and 4.6 for E cores. The maximum all-core boost OP core is rated to at 5.1. The Core Ultra 7 255 HX will feature 100 MHz lower boost clock for the both P and E cores. If we talk about the Core Ultra 5 245 HX, which will offer 6P core and 8E core in an 14 core and 40 thread configuration, this chip will operate at a base frequency of 3.1 for the P core and 2.6 for the E cores, with the maximum boost clock up to rated of 5.1 GHz for the P cores and 4.5 GHz for E cores. The maximum all-core boost is rated at 5.2 GHz. The Core Ultra 5 235 HX will again feature the same core configuration but cut back on the base frequency of P core to 2.9. Intel has previously confirmed that the Arrow Lake CPU, which scale from desktop to laptops, are on track for Q4 2024. The company is expected to unveil its first Arrow Lake family of desktop PCs next month, so we can expect the Arrow Lake HX Core Ultra 200 lineup to be announced around the same time in later Q4 or early 2025, with CES being the most ideal event as OEMs will have the opportunity to display and demo their next-gen designs. The Arrow Lake HX family will compete with AMD's Fire Range HX SKUs and will also come equipped with the next-gen RTX 50 GPUs from NVIDIA.